Hello everyone, this is Khasis Lieb, welcome to my channel and to this new video. It's the part 2 of the painting of Ricky de Normandie with a medieval character, not a real medieval character actually, but some wood worker that lives now and is really present in medieval fairs. You see me use this time the Escoda Ultimo 14. It's a brush I used a lot in the past, and I was using more lately the Raphael, sorry, soft aqua, because it's a flat brush, and sometimes flat brushes can make some more interesting geometric shapes. And this time I wanted to go back to this Ultimo from Escoda, because it's a big brush that keeps a lot of water and pigment, so it's really nice to use, and it permits some great matters and textures that was important for the beard in this painting. So this is my going back to Ultimo 14, and now I go with the Prado 8 just for small details and stuff like that. It's always with my White Nights watercolors that are just amazing. Still, it's been almost 2 years, I think. I use only that brand, and none of the other brand I used before is lacking in my palette, I think. I reduced actually my palette because at first I was using my big 28 color palette, all White Nights also, and I reduced it to 16 just to focus a bit more on my colors, and because I don't, as I do mainly textured work and almost abstract shape sometimes, I don't need really that much of pure color, and I can have the color that I miss by mixing the color I have now in my 16 palettes. You can watch, I think I have a video about this palette and how I filled it earlier last year, sorry. So okay, I let you the end of the painting with the music, and thank you for watching. Cheers. And if you want to support the channel, feel free to subscribe, like the video. It makes a lot for the channel and the video, actually, for the YouTube algorithm. So yeah, cheers.